To save an auto email, you'll start from either the map or the results window. From here, click on the Save button bar. We begin by clicking the New Auto Email button. This button will be enabled as long as there are fewer than 250 listings. Open the drop-down to select the contact. If you do not yet have the contact added, you can use the Create a New Contact link. If the client has an additional individual, such as a spouse, they would like to also receive the auto emails, you'll enter that address in the carbon copy or CC field. Sending yourself a blind copy or BCC is optional. This selection will greatly depend on the level of activity your client is expecting. For example, if you have a client who is just looking, it may not be necessary to copy yourself on every single email that your client receives. Next, you'll enter the subject for the email. There are two types of auto emails, a welcome message and then all recurring messages. Let's start with the welcome email. This welcome email includes the link your contact will use to confirm signing up to receive future messages. You can also customize the content of this email from under the Welcome Email tab. Click the gray gear icon to set your new content as the default welcome message for all future auto emails. Be sure to also review the recurring email content, make any applicable changes, and also set it as a default here if applicable. Reoccurring messages will include up to 10 snapshots of any listings that are being delivered in the auto email, as well as a link to access the portal. Personalize the message by editing the salutation. Below the message, you'll see your signature. To edit your signature, simply use the Edit Your Signature link. Consumer notices are optional. You can add or remove these notices anytime, either inside the setup of an auto email or directly from the contact record. Take a moment to verify the auto email criteria and, if needed, return to the search window. There are a few additional optional settings as well. For those consumers who need a white glove approach, enable the Concierge Mode. Concierge Mode notifies you of search matches and allows you to approve or reject them, having complete control over what listing updates your clients receive. While the client portal provides a number of display options already, you can choose one of your own custom displays to be available from here. Be careful not to include any agent-only column data when sharing your own custom displays. The reverse prospecting must be checked to provide your contact information to the listing agents with properties meeting your buyer's interests. And enabling as a favorite search means that this search will appear in the widget on your My Dashboard. Lastly, you'll schedule your auto email delivery. Options include ASAP, which tells the system to send an email notification anytime a listing either has a change or a new property comes on the market. Daily allows for weekly, twice weekly, or many other variations. Monthly is a really great option, specifically for your past clients. For example, after a client purchases a home, send them a monthly auto email showing them all of the closed sales in their new neighborhood every 30 days. This helps them keep an eye on their neighborhood and make sure they remember who you are when it's time to buy or sell again. You're now ready to save the auto email. The client will receive their welcome email. Once they click the link, continue to receive listing notices based on the criteria and schedule you've set. You can always modify any portion of an auto email right from either the contact or the auto email page. Be sure to visit support.brightmls.com for more tips and tools.